Hello, my name is Chris Sandham, chef at UCSP Plymouth University. I'm going to be showing you how to cook a really simple fajita dish, fajita chicken, pulled fajita chicken in a tray in the oven, one tray bake. Easy for you to do. So we've got all the ingredients here. We've got some sliced red onions, some sliced peppers, garlic, your fajita spice rub, which will be in the ingredients list, passata with sriracha, and your chicken breasts. One tray. Put your onions in the bottom and your peppers and your garlic. Your chicken breasts, just as they are. I've trimmed these up a little bit, just trimmed all the fat bits off. Put that over here. So, drizzle with a little bit of oil. Get your spice rub mix over the top there. Coat that over everything. Lovely. And then your passata with the sriracha. Done. Going to give it a little bit of a rub, bit of a mix up. And get your hands in there, or if you don't want to, find another way of doing it, but this is the way I like doing it. Make sure the chicken's resting on top of all that onion and pepper. Here we are, take these off. These here. There we are, so that's all mixed up together, literally like that. And we're going to cover this with a bit of parchment and foil, parchment, to stop the tin foil sticking to the chicken, and it's going to do it shiny side down on the tin foil because it conducts the heat better. Get that over there, cover it up. Ready to go, put it in the oven for an hour on 165 degrees. So it's been an hour, it's been in there for 165 degrees. We're going to dig it out and see what it looks like. After an hour, check the chicken, just to confirm that it is cooked and it's ready to pull. If it's not, if it's still a little bit under, stick it in for another 20 minutes and just keep checking as you go. This is it, nice bit of steam. Smells nice. And here we are. So the passata and the sriracha is reduced down nice and syrupy, and then you've got all the spice mix in there as well. So we're going to pull that apart and get 2 forks. Should pull apart nice and easy. So that just falls apart there, like that. Fold it around the sauce. So we're going to put this on some nachos, and then we're going to add some additional bits to the top. I mean, it's how you like it at the end of the day, whether you like cheese or not. We'll fold that all in there. Got some nachos here. Add a bit of a mix. Put that on top of the nachos. This is a good food for when you just sat down watching a film, watching any sports, or just sat down drinking beer, really. Like that. Bit of mix on the top there. So I've got some avocado, which you can use for the top, or just place it around however you like. some fresh tomatoes. Got some pomegranate lying around, which most people have, I'm sure. Cheese is up to you. Cheese, you put it on and leave it as it is, or you can put it back under the grill just to melt it. But I mean, with the heat, sometimes it melts quite nicely anyway. Finish it off with a little bit of garnish, bit of coriander, bit of parsley, like that. And there you have it. Pulled fajita chicken on nachos with additional garnishes, avocado, tomato, cheese, etc. Enjoy.